Hello students, I Manisha Sinha welcome you to the next video created by me for class 5. Students, today we will going to discuss new chapter 3, that is working with tables. Part 1. Windows 2016 offers a flexible feature of presenting information in a tabular form. A table consists number of columns and rows. It is very useful in organizing and representing the text information of numeric data in an effective manner. Here we can see in Word 2016 it gives a very flexible feature to arrange our numeric data in the form of table, and table consists of number of rows and columns and which is organized in very effective manner. Creating a table. A table is an organized arrangement of text in the form of rows and columns. The intersection of a column and a row is called a cell. Word provides a variety of ways to create a table. To insert a new table, place the cursor where you want to table to appear. As we can see in the picture, table is organized in rows and columns, and the intersection of row and column is known as cell. This box is known as cell, and data we can insert inside the cell. Word provides a variety of way to insert the table inside the Word document. So today we will going to learn how to create or how to insert a table inside our Word document. Wherever we have to insert the table, we will place the cursor over there and we can insert a new table over there. How we will insert the table, we will discuss in this chapter today. And as you can see, the horizontal lines are rows and the vertical lines are columns, and the intersection of these rows and columns are known as cell. Now this is the first method to insert the table or create the table inside our Word document using table grid. As you can see in the picture, click on the table button on the insert tab in the table group. When we open the Word document, we find the insert tab beside the home tab. We click on it. In the table group, we will find a button, table button. When we click on the table button, a drop down menu appear and contains a grid like this as shown over here and marked with orange line. Drag the mouse pointer over the grid to select the number of rows and columns that you want in the table. The table will be inserted on the working area. As you can see, we just drag the mouse pointer to select the number of rows and columns inside the table. That much rows and column a table containing appear on your document area, and it will be inserted inside your document area. This is the first method to insert the table inside our Word document. We can organize data in the tabular form in this table. Now let me show you. This is the screen of the Word document. Go to the insert tab, click on insert tab, then click on table button. Click on drop down arrow beside the table button. You will get the grid over there. Select the grid as much as you can select the cell, number of rows and column that you want to create inside your table. Just select that and click on it. A table will be created automatically on your screen. Even you can see over there the design and layout tab appear on the screen. Next method, by using insert table dialog box. As you can see in the picture, when we click on the insert tab, again we will click on the table button. Beside the grid, we find a new option over there, insert table option. Navigate the insert tab and then click on the table button. Select the insert table option from the drop down menu. The insert table dialog box appears. Specify the number of column and the rows and click on OK. You just have to click on OK. Just specify the number of column and the row, how much column you want inside your table, how much rows you want inside your table. Just specify there through the keyboard. You can type over there and click on OK. A table will be appear on your screen. Okay, this is the second method to insert the table or create the table inside your Word document. In this pop-up menu, just have to mention the number of columns and number of rows. Let me show you. Here you can see when I click on the insert tab in our Word document, a table button appears over there. Click on that button. Beside the table grid, click on insert table option. Mention or specify the number of column. I specify number of column 6 and number of rows 7 and click on OK button. When I click on OK button, automatically a table with 6 column and 7 rows appear on my screen. You can see the 2 tab appear on your screen in table tool, design and layout tab. When you insert a table, you will get the design and layout tab on the ribbon under the table tool. Through design and layout tab, you can make changes, you can customize your table. You can make changes inside your table. And these tabs appear only when you insert or create the table inside your Word document. So this is how we create the table, we insert the table inside our Word document. So today we learn how to create a new table, how to insert a new table inside our Word document. So thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy.